Look at this cinematic drone shot. Look at the water rippling, the fluid motion, and the hyper-realistic lighting. This entire video was generated using a 100% free AI tool that nobody is talking about yet. They finally did it. The best free AI video generator on the internet just locked its doors. If you have been building a faceless YouTube channel recently, you probably woke up to realize that Grok is no longer free. They put their incredible image-to-video model behind a paywall, and thousands of creators are completely panicking. But do not panic, and whatever you do not pull out your credit card. I spent the last 48 hours testing every single AI video generator left on the market, and I found a 100% free alternative to replace it. Those clips you just saw? They were made with your new video automation engine, Meta AI. A lot of people sleep on Meta's AI tools, but they have quietly released one of the most powerful, unrestricted text-to-video and image-to-video models available right now, with 0 subscription fees. Now, I want to be completely honest with you about the comparison between the two. In terms of actual video generation and fluid motion, Meta AI is probably a little bit better than Grok. The movement feels more natural and cinematic. However, the raw image quality is slightly lower. The only reason for this is that Meta AI does not currently have a built-in upscale option like Grok did. But as I'm about to show you, when you put these clips into your final edit, your viewers will not even notice the difference. The most important thing you need to know right now is that your entire business model is safe. Every single tutorial I have made on this channel and all the master prompts you have downloaded from my Discord are still 100% relevant. You do not need to change how you generate your ideas, your scripts, or your base images in Google Whisk. The system is not broken. The only thing we are doing is swapping out the video generator. But there is one crucial rule you need to understand about how Meta AI formats its videos before you start generating. If you are making long-form horizontal documentaries, Meta AI will only generate 16:9 videos if you use an image prompt, so you will still generate your base images in Google Whisk just like before, and then run them through Meta AI to animate them. But if you are making YouTube Shorts or TikToks, Meta AI can only generate vertical 9:16 videos using text-to-video. This actually saves you a step. You skip the image generator entirely, paste your text prompts directly into Meta AI, and it spits out vertical videos perfectly sized for your Shorts channel. You just open Meta AI, type in a random text prompt like a futuristic sports car driving through a neon city at night, hit generate, and within seconds you have a cinematic vertical video clip ready to download for free. But we are running faceless YouTube channels, which means we need mass production. Instead of typing these prompts one by one, we are going to bulk generate them. You take the list of video prompts generated by our ChatGPT master script, and you use a free Chrome extension called Auto Meta. Watch this. I am going to paste this entire list of random video prompts directly into the extension. I hit start, and I can literally take my hands off the keyboard. Meta AI is now automatically running through the list, bulk generating every single shot I need while I step away from my computer. Once your folder is full of generated videos, you bring those clips into CapCut. And because Meta AI doesn't have that upscale feature yet, you can easily compensate in the edit to make it look premium. Apply a slight sharpening filter, add a subtle film grain overlay, and use the Ken Burns slow zoom effect on your clips. This instantly elevates the footage, masking any quality drops and making it look like a high-budget Netflix documentary. Grok moving to a paid model isn't the end of faceless YouTube automation. It is just a filter that wipes out the lazy creators who do not know how to adapt. By switching your workflow to Meta AI today, you are immediately ahead of 90% of the competition who are currently stuck staring at a paywall. All of my original master prompts, along with the link to the Auto Meta extension, are waiting for you inside my free Discord server. The link is in the description. Go grab the tools, keep building your channels for free, and I'll see you in the next video.